Genesis 3-5. For God knows that when you eat from it, your eyes will be opened, and you will be like God, knowing good and evil.
Hey wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how I installed this 4x4 deep wave wig from Shein. Let's get straight into it. So guys, this is a 4x4 deep wave closure wig from Shein, and I got this in the 28 inches, and this is 180 density. So as you guys can see, this is how the wig comes. I didn't bleach the knot or did anything to this wig. So it comes with a strap so you can secure it to fit your head size. So I'm gonna first of all go ahead to wear my wig cap, and I'm going to go ahead to also add some foundation on this wig cap. So when it comes to doing wigs, you guys know I am not a professional, but practice makes perfect. I know one day I'll become a professional. But yeah, so I go ahead to just put some foundation on the laces. Even though they did say this wig was pre-plucked, clearly doesn't look like pre-plucked. So I did go ahead to try and pluck out a bit whilst the wig was on my head. I don't think I did a very good job with that, but for sure I did remove some hair. Okay, so I did go ahead to try and pluck it a bit, and now I'm just using my wax stick, and then I'm going to go ahead to use my hot comb to just flat iron this to make sure it's laid before I go ahead and deal with the lace. So to glue down this wig, I am using the Ebin spray, and I'm just literally spraying that on top of the lace. Usually you can also just do it on your hairline and then lay the lace down, but this time I just decided to just spray it on top of the lace because I feel like these type of wigs don't need too much work. It's really not that deep. But yeah, so I just went ahead to spray it at the top, and then I just go in with my rat tail comb and my blow dryer, and now I'm just using my melting band just to, you know, tie this down for like maybe 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes I just go ahead to take out the band, and yeah, this is how it's looking. Like I said, I don't think I did well with my plucking, but it is what it is. And now I'm just going ahead to cut my lace. I am cutting the sides first because you would want it to look as natural as possible, and then I go ahead just to cut down in the middle first, and then I just start cutting the lace. For some reason I find it so hard to cut my lace when the wig is on my head. I don't know why. I feel like every time I do a wig I just try to figure out the easiest method for me, and I feel like from now on I will just prefer to cut the lace off my head, then place it on my head and then glue it down. I guess when it comes to doing hair or wigs or whatever, you just have to do what works for you. And I feel like whenever I do cut the lace on my head, I end up leaving a lot of lace. I don't know why, but these are things I'm learning as I go along and what I can change. And to define the curls, I went ahead to use mousse, and I also used water. Better, because you don't want to leave your house like that. You don't want to leave your house the way the wig came, okay? You need to add some mousse, some water, and then comb it through, and then you can see the fullness of the hair, you can see the curls, you can see everything. It's popping, you know? And then I just go in with some serum, like it's like an oil, just to make the curls more nicer and it's not dry. And then I went in with more mousse, and I'm just trying to define the curls a bit more, and then I keep combing through the hair. So once you finish that, that's it really for this wig. Not too much work, not too much going on. And then I just go ahead to take off the band, and as you guys can see, it's laid, it's melted. So now that everything is melted, I went ahead to use a bronzer to just, you know, go over the lace to make it look very natural and to blend in with my skin. I used the bronzer because I know I was gonna do makeup. You can also use foundation. And now I'm just going in with my hot comb a bit more just to make sure the hair is laid properly. And once I do that, I'm gonna go ahead to also use a concealer in the center just to define the parting a bit more. This is something that I struggle with as well. I don't know why, but I find it so hard. So I did use the Ebin spray to melt down the lace. You can also use spritz to, you know, melt down that lace. And then I went ahead again with the bronzer. So this is how it turned out. I feel like one side didn't lay properly. If you see that side, just watch and don't judge, okay? We are still getting there, okay? So I feel like, you know, it's not as bad, but I really love the way this hair turned out. It's such a cute hairstyle. Let me know what you guys think in the description box. Don't forget to comment, like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is a new year. Make sure when you watch, you subscribe, and let me know what you guys think about my videos, and I'll see you all in another video. Bye.